there Tech Explorers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something we use every day, but very few people truly understand: the internet. Ever wondered how you're able to watch videos, send messages, or browse websites instantly? It's not magic, it's technology. So grab a cup of coffee and stick around as we break down how the internet works in a simple, easy to understand way. Let's go! What is the internet, really? Think of the internet like a massive network of roads. Instead of cars, we're sending data, photos, messages, videos, zooming through cables and signals. At its core, the internet is just a global network of computers, all connected together. Some are servers, some are routers, and some are personal devices, like your phone or laptop. And all of them work together to deliver information across the world in seconds. It's the ultimate teamwork. Meet the IP address, the internet's home address. Every device connected to the internet has something called an IP address, short for Internet Protocol Address. It's like a home address for your device, so other devices know where to send information. For example, if your phone wants to load a website, it sends a request saying, "Hey, I'm 192.168.1.5. Can I get the latest YouTube video?" The server replies, "Sure, here it is," and sends it straight back to your IP address. Simple, right? How routers keep everything moving. If IP addresses are homes, then routers are the traffic cops. A router connects your device to the internet and decides the best route for data to travel. When you visit a website, your request first goes to your router, which then sends it on through your ISP or internet service provider and out into the big wide internet. And when the response comes back, your router knows exactly where to send it. Think of it like a GPS for your data. What happens when you visit a website? Let's say you type in www.google.com. Your browser first asks, where is Google located? It uses the Domain Name System, or DNS, to find out. DNS is like a phone book for the internet. It translates human-friendly names like google.com into IP addresses like 142.250.190.78. Once it has that number, your request is routed to Google servers, and boom, the website loads. What is DNS and why is it so important? Imagine if you had to remember every website's IP address. No way, right? That's why DNS exists, to keep things simple for us. When you type in a web address, DNS looks it up and gives your device the IP address it needs. There are millions of DNS servers around the world, all working together to help people access websites quickly and easily. Servers, the internet's super storage. Now that you've reached the correct IP address, what's waiting on the other side? A server. Servers are special computers that store websites, apps, and data. When your browser connects to a server, it says, "Hey, I need this website," and the server sends the files back to you. It could be images, code, videos, whatever the website is made of, and it all gets assembled right in your browser like magic. But really it's HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. How data travels. The journey through cables and signals. Here's the cool part. When you send or receive data, it travels in tiny chunks called packets. These packets can move through fiber optic cables under the ocean, copper cables in your neighborhood, or even wireless signals like Wi-Fi or mobile data. Each packet finds its own way, like cars taking different routes to the same destination, and your device puts them all back together. How security works on the internet. Now you might wonder, is it safe? Yes, but only if websites use encryption. Look for the little lock icon in your browser. That means the website uses HTTPS, a secure version of HTTP. This encrypts your data so hackers can't read it. Without encryption, it's like sending a postcard. Anyone who handles it can read the message. With encryption, it's like sealing your message in a safe. Recap and why this matters. Let's wrap it up. The internet works by assigning every device an IP address, using routers to send data, translating website names through DNS, fetching content from servers, and sending packets of data through cables and air, all in milliseconds. Now that you know what's happening behind the scenes, the internet isn't just a mystery, it's a marvel of human innovation. And as a tech beginner, understanding this gives you a strong foundation for everything that comes next. Thank you for watching. If you learned something new today, smash the like button and share this with a friend who's always asking, how does the internet even work? Leave a comment if you want me to cover a deep dive into DNS, routers, or anything else in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials every week, because here we keep tech simple. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.